Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to work opportunities and manage your pipeline in Salesforce Lightning Experience. This is essential for tracking your deals, monitoring their progress, and keeping your sales process organized and efficient. First, click on the Opportunities tab in the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. This is your central hub for viewing and managing all your sales opportunities. Once you're there, you'll see a list of existing opportunities or an empty view if you're just getting started. To create a new opportunity, click the New button at the top right corner. A form will appear where you need to enter the key details about your deal. Type in the opportunity name, which should clearly describe the deal you're working on. Next, select the related account to link this opportunity to the correct customer or company. Set the close date to indicate when you expect this deal to close, and choose the current stage that reflects where this opportunity is in your sales process. Once all the required fields are filled in, click Save to create the opportunity. Your new opportunity is now live in the system and ready to be tracked. As your deal progresses, you'll need to update the opportunity stage, open the opportunity record, and look at the top of the page where you'll see the stage indicator, also known as the sales path. Click on it and select the next stage that matches the current status of your deal, then click Mark Stage as Current or Save to update the stage. This keeps your pipeline accurate and helps you track momentum across all your deals. For a more visual way to manage your pipeline, use the Kanban view. On the Opportunities tab, click the Display toggle at the top right to switch to this view. Here you can visually manage your pipeline by dragging and dropping opportunities between different stages. This makes it incredibly easy to see where all your deals stand at a glance and quickly move them forward. To stay on top of activities, navigate to the Activity component on the opportunity record. This is where you log calls, emails, tasks, and next steps related to the opportunity. Keeping detailed activity records ensures nothing falls through the cracks and helps you maintain strong follow-up with your prospects. Finally, regularly review your pipeline using the Pipeline Inspection feature. This gives you insights into deal health, stage progression, and potential issues that need attention. And that's it. You've now set up a streamlined process for working opportunities and managing your pipeline in Salesforce Lightning Experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.